was his sister that he left us with her for him to come to California and said, Daddy ain't gonna leave you, baby. Daddy coming back to get you. Just stay here with your auntie and be good, and I'll be on back there to get you soon.
She's talking so clear. Charge here, okay?
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that.
What is going on? This is SAMOK of SAMOK Fit. Checking in with you guys. You guys are all doing terrific, and we are back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a day in the life here, realistic day in the life. And a lot of times when you see like this full day in the life or maybe morning routines, a lot of them are just, you know, I think made just for you guys for people to like it or to watch a lot of it, and they're not realistic in a way. So at least to the majority of the population of the world that are not a CEO, that are not a Fitspo. But hopefully this is very relatable to people like you. You have a life. You have a family, you wake up in the morning, you got kids, maybe you're single, you know, college kid. I'm a busy guy myself, in case you don't know, in case you're new to the channel. I'm a busy guy. I work in a corporate job, 9 to 5. I have a full-time, part-time coaching business. Part-time meaning that because I have a 9 to 5, it limits me from taking on a last-minute client as much as possible. So I take on a specific amount of client. So I still need to respond to my client every day. I need to check in with my clients. I need to make sure they have what they need to achieve their goals. And I also have a 9 to 5 job. I have kids. I have 2 girls that I take care of. I have family that I take care of, and I still prioritize my fitness too. So I just thought I'd put this video together for you guys, kind of just take you along what a full day in my life sort of looks like. Hopefully you can, you know, learn a thing or two on how maybe you can set yourself up as you go by your day to make sure you are accomplishing the goals that you want to achieve. So without further ado, let's get this day started. Just pulled up to my job right now, and this one. So what I've been doing before is, like, you know, I make sure I pack all my food. I got all my stuff ready to go. All my food, because it allows me just to not be in a rush in the morning. I'm ready to go, hit the door, and the only focus in the morning is making sure my girls are ready, my family is ready, so we can get them out the door so they can get to daycare. So that's my typical morning process right there. And now I'm pulling up to work. Of course, I'm not going to be bringing my camera into work just because it's a working environment. I'm not going to do. I mean, I want to record content for you guys, but at the same time, I value my job and I don't want to lose that. Again, so that is what we have going on right now. So I'm going to head to work. It's currently 8 o'clock, and that's how we are going to be starting the day. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. It is currently 12:10 right now. Yeah, I'm about to go work out, and it's gonna be a different kind of workout than you guys might have been used to. So normally around this time of the day, that's when I typically go to the gym, do my strength training program, and I'm running 3 times a week now. Normally I like to run in the morning. But what I've been doing on Thursdays is, because I'm recording this on a Thursday, is linking up with my man, Tiny Boy Gains, who weighs himself. And that is essentially a track workout. So that is what we are about to get after right now. Done. So the goal here is to for a 30-minute run. So in case you are new to the channel, some rehab. Initially I was training for a marathon, got hurt, ITB, now we're getting back to running again. I'm running 3 times a week. Like I said, runs are timed right now. In a 5-minute run, a 1-minute rest, 5-minute run, 1-minute rest. That's what I've been doing. And today it's not going to be any different. So 30-minute run, 5-minute intervals, so 6 rounds of 5-minute run, 1-minute rest. It's also a good strategy. Let's say if you are new to running, something that you can definitely do is, okay, give yourself like, okay, I want to run 15 minutes, and out of those 15 minutes, you know, say maybe I'll run 2 minutes, walk 1 minute, 2 minutes, walk 1 minute. As you get acclimated to running, that you can increase that pace or limit the amount of rest periods that you are going to be taking. without further ado, I only have in a short period of time, I'll get 30 minutes run and go back to work. And then after this run, I'm going to be showing you guys the meals that we are going to be having. Let's get after the run. Just running 3-minute run, totaling about 3.1 miles at 9:42 pace, totaling about 10 miles for the week. And I have another quote-unquote long run, like a 40-minute run coming up this weekend. And the current time right now is 1 o'clock. So I got here a little bit after 12, and we finished in about an hour, warming up, running, everything. And we're all set. So I'm going to change, go back to work, grab a meal, and show you guys what I'm eating. So,
yes sir, put me through the ringer.
That's one. So one thing we're trying to do, I'm not sure where you're watching this from. Then Louis is the SLU track and field. They have many track and field around here, quite empty around this time. And one thing we're trying to do is, like on Thursdays, trying to build some sort of community around here. Like, if you want to come in on Thursday, grab a workout, grab a run, shoot the shit, I think it would be nice, it would be kind of dope if we can do that. So if you're watching this, there's a very chance you're watching it from St. Louis, Thursdays, noon, tap in.
I control my own happiness.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like...
Alrighty, so currently it is 8:06 p.m. All the girls just went down. The structure of my day when I come back from home is, one, obviously I come back from home, say hi to the girls, I prepare my meal, I try to eat dinner with them, whatever they're eating, or if I want to eat some of my food, like you guys just saw, I was making just some scrambled eggs for myself, and I was making some scrambled eggs for myself, and I was not able to enjoy my food myself again, which is okay. And I tell people the joke that if you want a true caloric deficit, you should have kids. Those are a caloric deficit right there, because they will eat your food. They can have, every parent that's watching this understand that when you prepare food for your kids, sometimes, so for no other reason, you can have the same food on your plate. You want to eat your food and leave their food alone, but it's all good. But when I come home from work, I typically get back from work by 5:30, sit down, eat with the family, shoot the shit, hang out. My wife goes to the gym to go work out, and I take care of the girls to put the girls down, read books, wash her hair tonight. So yeah, that is my day essentially. Now they're up. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be preparing a snack, put that in the freezer. I'm gonna show you what that snack is. Put that in the freezer, and then we're gonna be closing out the night. So we're gonna be closing the night off with this right here. So I'm gonna be having a whole serving of Carb Master. Pro tip: if you have a Kroger near you or Real Foods, definitely get your hands on one of these. I mean, it's super macro friendly. Typically this goes about for like 50 cents a pop. So I'm going to be having this. I'm going to be having a serving of the fire Greek yogurt, and I'm going to top it down with 2 scoops of the BPN strawberry right here. Link in the description if you want to shop any BPN products. I'm going to mix this together in a bowl, put it in the freezer, and let that freeze over for about 30 to 40 minutes. So this is what the finished product looks like. And again, fire Greek yogurt and the Carb Master right here, and with 2 scoops of the BPN protein. Also, what I like to listen to Nick Bear's YouTube video, naturally DM'd him like, bro, like next time you make this, add some coffee creamer into this. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and while I go into the office, get some client work done and some other editing that I need to get done, including this video that you're watching right now. All right, so we are back in the office, about to knock out some client work and do some editing. Again, I'll produce all my content that you see on social media on all platforms, including this video. I do not have an editor. So if you enjoyed this video, by the way, if you made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are interested in this kind of content. It means a lot to the channel. It allows the channel to grow. So my day started at 5 o'clock this morning. Normally it probably starts by 4:35. I need to go run. I get all my clothes ready the night before. I get my food ready the night before. Then I head out. Then wake up in the morning, do my morning chores, get the girls ready, pack on myself, get to work. We can do my work, go to the gym. If I need to go, if it's a strength training day, we'll strength train, go back to work, finish work, come back home, hang out with the family, put the girls down, and then I have to get some work done. So the reason I'm doing this video again, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's a realistic day in the life. It's not anything like, oh yeah, you know, showing you how to hack the day. And what I want to convey throughout this video truly is that I'm no different than you. A lot of you guys, your life are similar to my life right now. You got kids, got responsibilities. I just need to wake up a little bit earlier if I want to be ahead of my schedule. I need to wake up a little bit earlier to get my training done if that's the only time I need to train during the day. I need to use my lunch to train because that's the only time I need to track and train, because I would love my significant other to go get a workout into. And I think what I drive home to a lot of my clients really is for you to be available for the people that you care about. You need to take care of yourself. You got to take care of the plate one. If you don't take care of yourself, how do you expect to be 100% available for the people that you claim to care about? So again, hopefully throughout this video, if you learn a thing or two on how you can adjust or pivot throughout your day to adjust to accommodate for the goals that you want to accomplish in your life. And that is what I want to be as real as possible with this content for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Like the video, comment below, share with your friends who might be struggling. Maybe they have similar lifestyles in you. I'm like, hey, you can learn a thing or two from Sam. That will mean a lot to me. Again, because that's what I want to be as real as possible. If you are a father, if you are a CEO, if you're a busy person, this is the channel for you, because I want to cater to you. Stop thinking other people can have a leg up because they have this special life. A lot of people, I mean, I'm happy that a lot of you guys view me in high regards. I just want to show you that I am as normal as they come. I have a normal lifestyle as they come. I'm not a full-time fitspo. I have a corporate job. I have goals I want to accomplish. I just make the time for the things I want to accomplish so I can be 100% myself, so I can be ready and available for the people that I care about. Anyways, that's the video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any other topic that you learned from this video, or any other topic that you want me to cover in this video, and it will really mean a lot, and I'll be engaging with you guys in the comment section too. This is SAMOK, SAMOK Fit, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.